Crypto made people rich. Crypto also made people lose everything. But what if there was a way to stay in crypto without the wild price swings? That's where stablecoins come in. In 2025, Wall Street, banks, and even governments are quietly moving billions into stablecoins. Today, we are breaking down how stablecoins work, why they matter, and how smart investors are riding this wave of opportunity. This is not hype, this is the financial infrastructure of the future. Stable coins are cryptocurrencies designed to stay stable. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, their value is usually tied to real-world asset like the US dollar. One stable coin equals $1. Simple. The most popular stablecoins today include USDT, USDC, and DAI. Investors use them to move money fast, avoid volatility, and earn passive income without leaving the crypto ecosystem. Think of stablecoins as digital dollar that never sleeps. Here's why stablecoins are exploding in the US market. Fast speed. Sending stablecoins takes minutes, not days. Second, cost. Fees are often lower than banks or wire transfer. Third, yield. Stablecoins can earn interest through lending platforms and decentralized finance. And finally, trust. Major companies like Visa and PayPal are already integrating stablecoin payment. This is not a trend, it's a shift. Smart investors don't just hold stablecoins, they use them. Some park money during market crashes, others earn yield while waiting for opportunities. Stablecoins also power global payments, remittance, and online commerce. In uncertain economies, stablecoins act like a digital safe haven. For many Americans, they are becoming a bridge between traditional finance and crypto innovation. The future of money isn't loud, it's efficient. Stable coins won't replace crypto, they will connect it to the real world. As regulation involves and adoption grows, stable coins may become the backbone of digital finance. The question isn't will stablecoins matter? The question is who will understand them early. This is passive mint where smart money meets the future. I will help you every time for finance opportunities. Never say die. We will grow soon.